Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable push notification for Pinterest. So let's start. First, open the Pinterest tab. Now tap on your profile icon at the menu bar at the bottom of the screen and go to your profile. Now tap on the settings icon on top right corner. Then go to notifications. Then tap on push notification. Now tap on turn off all. Then turn off all again. And all of your push notifications will be disabled. And there is another way you can disable push notifications of Pinterest. Open the Settings app. Then tap on Notifications. Now tap on See All. Now search for Pinterest here. And here you can see that the notifications are disabled since I have already disabled them. If you want to disable from here, then it will be enabled and then tap on Show Notifications and the notifications will be disabled. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.